Hello YouTube, I am back with another video for crochet. Just got back from a vacation, got all tanned out there. I was in Italy and Turkey. Um, Very shocked, Turkey is absolutely beautiful. I was in Istanbul and a place called Cappadocia. Beautiful. I would love to go back. I'm very shocked. Um, so I'm going to try and keep this video under 10 minutes, get to the point. So I'm starting out with 15 braids in the front, and then in the back we got that circle, spiral, whatever, beehive, what you want to call it. Today I am trying a new hair. It is, excuse me, Caribbean bundle braids. It's Waterfall, 18 inches. Color is T1B30. 18 inches. I don't know if I said that. So the way the packaging, the way it comes, it reminds me of the pre-looped hair because they do it like that, but it's not pre-looped. It says pre-stretch. It's not pre-looped. That's how pre-looped hair comes on this. They do it like that, but this is absolutely not pre-looped. It's just pre-stretched, they say. So it's supposed to be, I guess, T1B at the top, and then it goes down into 30 at the bottom. But this does not look like 1B to me. This looks like a 4 or something. Reminds me of a 4. It's not dark at all, which is no problem because I usually use 4. And then there's the 30 down at the end. So, of course, I'm going to use it in full length because I want to keep that 30 in. And 18, that's too short for me to cut in half because that's like 9 inches of hair. So, I'm going to go ahead and get the back done. I'll come back and show you how I loop or knot it. It's probably going to be the same as everything else, but I'll have a little bit more information after I get some hair. So I will be back. Hey, I know I said I was going to come back when I was done with the back, but I actually just wanted to show you how much I got done with one pack. So what's in my head right now is one pack of hair. I think I'm like halfway done with the back. I'll show you. That's how far I've gotten on one pack. Alright. Oh, this lighting is awful. Everything is awful. Alexa, turn on basement. Okay. Yeah, that didn't help. Alright, so I'm going to show you real quick how I knot it. It's pretty much the same as my other hair, curly hair. So in the back, I do it a little different, but in the front, go in, pull through, and 1, 2, 3, let me do 4. Twist and pull. And the way I'm doing it in the back, because I want more security, because I can't reach or see back there. Three, 1, 2, 3, and separating the hair. And small piece from one side, and a small piece from the other side, and making a knot. So I actually might do this in some other places too, depending. I'm gonna keep an eye on these lower ones that I did with just 4 knots and make sure that they are staying knotted and not unraveling. If I see any signs of that, I will move to this method that I'm doing in the back everywhere. So I'm going to keep it going. I don't know what I'm going to do about the part. Probably will not try and do an invisible part because it just doesn't work out for me when I do it. Plus, I always have my hair up in a ponytail, so I really don't need a visible part anyway. So I'll be back, show you what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm done. It's a big. I don't hate it. I'm not quite sure I love it yet, but give me a second because I never love anything. Well, I rarely love anything at the first sight. It's not bad. I can work with it. So I did not do a visible part. I just did use some small pieces and went in and did fill the part in. It's curly. You can't really tell that well anyway. It's slightly damp from me installing it, but I have not went through and put the conditioner in like I usually do to kind of tame it and define the curls. So I'll do that in a moment. I just wanted you to see it in its natural state. So I'm going to turn and let you see the back. Pretty cool. But I only used 5 packs. I usually use like 6. So this is exactly 5 packs. There was nothing left over. So let's spray this down with some conditioner and see how it looks. Oh, it's thick. Doing this is going to make me go over 10 minutes. I need more water in here. It is all conditioner and it's coming out thick. So I am not a big YouTuber. I have like 10,000 subscribers, but my videos get like 200 views, which is bull, but whatever. So, I just record these videos on my computer. I don't get a lot of views, so I see no reason in investing in like, cameras and equipment and stuff. So, I do apologize for the quality of my videos. Unfortunately, they will not get any better because I'm not going to invest any money into something that doesn't invest in me. And I have a full-time job, so I ain't really worried about YouTube to pay the bills. So sorry. Speaking of YouTube, man, I have been addicted. I don't know if any of you watch the mukbang stuff, but there's like this stuff going on with these two mukbangers, Love and Q. I'm like addicted to watching these videos now. Alright, so that's it. A little bit more tamed. Hey, I was coming in clear for a second. I need to just sit back. Okay. So I'm doing this just to kind of define it a little bit. For now, I don't want it that defined later. I kind of like when it was poofy, but I think once I put it in a ponytail for work, I'll actually appreciate it more like this. So the hair, it's not very soft. Some hairs are really soft. This is not really, really soft hair. Um, but it is pretty easy to work with. When I go to separate the hair, it does not ravel or whatever. It doesn't do that. It doesn't tangle. Alright, so that is it. It's 10:30 at night. I'm gonna go take a shower. So this is what I do to the hair when I sleep and shower. I'm a poodle. Yay. That's what it looks like to me. Or like a AP's Jerry curl. Alright. So for my shower slash sleep. Just take it. Twist. Ooh, that kind of hurts with fresh latch hook. Alright. Alright. That's that. Probably after our shower, I'll take it back down so it can dry because it's not good. Leave it wet and sleep. It kind of smells mildewy. Alright, so I'm way over my 10-minute mark, sorry, but it's still shorter than most of my videos. So I'm going to leave all the information about this hair below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will respond to anything that I don't already answer in the video or the show me section. I'll be back next month with another video. I'm not sure what kind of hair I'll be doing, but it may be a repeat, so maybe it'll be a couple months before I come back. We'll see. Bye.